Boutique campervan conversion specialist Achtung Camper has spread its wings with this two-berth Volkswagen Crafter-based motorhome. Let's take a closer look. Geelong-based Achtung Camper has been producing funky and highly functional campervans since 2013, but is largely focused on medium vans like the Volkswagen Transporter. These days, however, it also offers this VW Crafter-based Achtung Camper Motorhome, with this particular example meticulously kitted out for off-road exploration and comfy off-grid living. While only available in a medium wheelbase and with Volkswagen's TDI 140 engine, there's a huge range of options and accessories on offer, which can all be specified during Achtung's easy online ordering system. They'll even source and specify the Crafter itself, making for a seamless process from start to finish. It's a rugged-looking bit of gear, accentuated by its tough alloys shod with all-terrain rubber, rock sliders and a nudge bar. Rest assured, when the zombie apocalypse comes, this escape vehicle is certainly going to look the part. This unit has a factory 3.88-tonne GVM upgrade, so it can handle all the extras while preserving a healthy payload. In addition to the nudge bar, there's also a 3.2 metre awning, a rear-mounted spare wheel, and a custom carrier that can accept all sorts of gear, like bike racks and a storage compartment. Now, it's all business and rugged off-road looks on the outside, but on the inside, you're immediately at ease in this comfortable and inviting living space. Typical of many layouts of motorhomes of this size, just after the cab and next to the near side sliding door, we have a compact and practical kitchen area. There's a 2-element cooktop next to the sink and an 80-litre fridge freezer below. A variety of storage drawers are nearby, and there's even an additional fridge drawer at the back that's perfect for drinks. There's no microwave though, so the cooker is the extent of meal prep options. The ensuite has a generous amount of space for a van of this size, and opposite the shower is a full-size composting toilet. It's a clever unit, the manufacturer claiming it's eco-friendly, odourless and can handle up to 80 uses before needing to be emptied. Moving further back, bench seating runs down either side of the van, making for a great entertaining space around the quick setup table and room for up to 5 or even 6 adults. Of course, the reason it's so spacious back here is down to the north-south bed, which is securely stored in the ceiling and which lowers from the roof at the push of a button. Simply reposition the 2 seatback units, undo the clips that secure the bed, move it into position and then unclip the 4 lowering cords. It's a neat solution, and the setup can come with either electric or manual operation. There's just a lovely feel to this motorhome. The birch ply has been meticulously cut and assembled, and there's a high feeling of quality craftsmanship throughout the vehicle. There's a theme of simplicity here, but it's interwoven with some sophisticated technology and some smart features. It's clever, characterful and unique. Drawbacks? Only that there isn't masses of storage, which may be a problem for those eyeing extended tours, and the bathroom door is a little flimsy and fiddly. It's also worth noting that this all-wheel drive van does have a fairly modest ceiling height, especially when under the raised bed, at least as far as taller types like myself are concerned. Front drive examples fare better in this respect. Natural light floods in through the skylight, the windows and the side and rear barn doors when open, while after dark there's a mix of LED strip lights and downlights with a neat dimmer function to soften the mood. And there are quality zippered insect screens for the doors and on the windows to keep those nasties at bay. And then we come to this van's impressive off-grid credentials. Now this is in fact a gas-free vehicle. That means we've got a diesel 2-element cooker here, we've got a diesel heater, and we've got a diesel hot water system. Then there's a 110 amp lithium battery. On the roof, we've got a large 290 watt solar panel, and looking after it all, we've got a BM Pro touchscreen monitoring system. And with a powerful 2000 watt inverter and even a Wi-Fi signal booster, it's also perfect for digital nomads who like to take their work on the road. Achtung Camper says this medium wheelbase motorhome delivers comfy living space in a rig that will still fit within a standard car space. And certainly on the road, whether it's on-road or off, it doesn't feel any less manageable than any typical large passenger vehicle. It's well mannered on sealed roads, quiet and largely free of the usual squeaks and rattles. but it's also perfect for pushing far beyond the bitumen. With our test vehicle equipped with Volkswagen's 4Motion all-wheel drive system, a locking rear diff, BFGoodrich all-terrain tyres, 230mm of ground clearance, even a snorkel. The 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel packs plenty of grunt. The 4Motion system makes for sure-footed progress on the dirt, and the 8-speed auto makes driving a doddle, town or country. I've been impressed with every Achtung camper I've sampled, and the family-owned firm's first motorhome is no exception. Sure, this rig doesn't come cheap, and you can buy larger motorhomes for less, but it's clear Achtung Camper has invested a heap of nous and expertise into this vehicle. It's a cleverly conceived and beautifully executed home on wheels, and so well equipped for heading bush. I love it, and I have a distinct feeling that prospective customers are going to love it too.